Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to share a DIY for a baby shower. I have an upcoming baby shower and my theme is going to be blue because it's a boy, and you can also do this for a girl. You just paint everything pink. That little box there from Walmart was 97 cents. I'm going to rip the lid off of it. The mason jar is also from Walmart. That was $2.97. I'm going to hot glue the bottom of the mason jar to the back of the box once everything is painted. Keep watching and I will show you how it turns out. First thing that I did with my mason jar here is painted it all blue, and then I did the trim in white. So here's what everything looks like. I'm all done pretty much. I just have to hot glue the bottom of the mason jar to the back of the box. Inside, I'm going to do it to the inside of the back of the box. And I went into Cricut Design Space and just typed out the instructions for the game that we're going to be playing at the baby shower, and I transferred that over to the mason jar. And here's what my game looks like, and all I have to do is put my pins into the little box. Hopefully, if you are planning a baby shower and you're just looking for ideas, this is something that'll work for you. It's a fun little game. You just put your little clothespins in that little box. Everybody that wants to play can put a pin on their shirt and just clip it wherever they want. And if you catch them saying the word baby, you take their pin, and whoever has the most at the end wins the game. That's gonna end my video, and thanks for watching.